Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Xiaomi model and MIUI build. This matters because not every device or firmware supports VoLTE. Insert the active 4G SIM and ensure your carrier allows VoLTE, otherwise these steps won't work. Once done, backup settings and enable developer options if you plan to toggle hidden toggles. To do that, tap build number 7 times. Now move to the network settings. We will enable the correct options and vendor features step by step. You open Settings, go to SIM cards and mobile networks, then choose the SIM that needs VoLTE. Toggle VoLTE calling on. Make sure preferred network type includes 4G so voice can use LTE. If you don't see the toggle, check APN settings and carrier provisioning. Sometimes carriers push a VoLTE profile that must be applied. Alternatively, use developer options to show additional network flags and reboot after any change to let the radio register fresh with the network. You finish by rebooting the phone and making a test call. Confirm the VoLTE icon and HD voice where supported. If VoLTE still fails, contact your carrier to confirm VoLTE activation on your account. Ask them to push a provisioning profile if needed. If that doesn't help, perform a network settings reset or open Xiaomi's hidden service menu to reapply firmware radio settings. As a quick troubleshooting tip, try a different SIM slot or temporary OTA rollback. If the update removed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.